Hey there, food lovers. Welcome to a brand new Culinary Recipe Creations adventure. Remember when the internet first hit our lives? It changed everything, right? From how we communicate to how we shop, the internet revolutionized our daily routines. Well, get ready for another revolution because artificial intelligence, or AI, is here, and it's coming to a kitchen near you. Imagine having a personal assistant that knows your taste buds better than you do. From self-driving cars to personalized medicine, AI is already changing how we live. It's making our cars smarter, our healthcare more precise, and now it's about to transform our kitchens. And guess what? It's about to make cooking easier, more fun, and tastier than ever before. Imagine a world where you can whip up gourmet meals with the help of a digital sous chef. AI is all about making machines smarter. It's like giving them a brain that can learn and adapt. In the kitchen, this means smarter appliances that can help you cook like a pro. It's like teaching a computer to think and learn like we do. These AI systems can understand your preferences, suggest recipes, and even guide you through the cooking process step by step. In the kitchen, this means AI can help us find recipes, plan meals, and even cook food, all with a little help from our digital friends. Imagine never having to worry about what's for dinner again. Now, some folks might think AI in the kitchen sounds like science fiction, but the reality is this technology is already here and it's evolving rapidly. But trust me, it's not as far-fetched as you might think. AI is becoming an integral part of our daily lives, and the kitchen is no exception. It's about to make our culinary experiences more exciting and efficient. In fact, it's already happening. From smart ovens that can perfectly bake a cake to AI-powered fridges that can suggest recipes based on what's inside, the future of cooking is here. So, buckle up and get ready to explore how AI is about to rock our culinary world. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen newbie, AI is set to make your cooking journey more enjoyable and delicious. Let's talk about recipes. We all have our favorites, but sometimes it's hard to find new ones we love, right? And what about those dietary restrictions? Finding recipes that fit our needs can feel like searching for a needle in a haystack. Well, AI is here to make things easier. AI-powered recipe apps are popping up everywhere, and they're pretty darn amazing. These apps don't just show you a list of recipes, they learn your likes and dislikes, allergies, and dietary needs. Think of it like having a personal chef who knows exactly what you want. Need a low-carb meal plan for the week? No problem. Craving something spicy but can't handle dairy? AI's got you covered. These apps can even adjust recipes based on the ingredients you have on hand. Talk about convenient. Remember the days of constantly checking the oven, worried about burning dinner? Those days might be over soon, thanks to smart kitchen appliances. We're not just talking about fancy coffee makers anymore. AI is making its way into ovens, refrigerators, and more, turning them into culinary sidekicks. Imagine an oven that knows exactly how long to cook your salmon to perfection based on its thickness and your desired doneness. Or a refrigerator that tracks your groceries, suggests recipes based on what's about to expire, and even orders more milk when you're running low. These smart appliances are designed to make cooking easier and more efficient. They take the guesswork out of cooking times and temperatures, helping you avoid those kitchen disasters we've all experienced. Plus, they can save you time and energy so you can spend less time chained to the stove and more time enjoying your meal. The benefits on the plate. Why AI cooking matters. So we've got AI-powered recipes and smart appliances, but what does it all really mean for us home cooks? Well, the benefits are pretty tasty, my friends. AI cooking isn't just about fancy gadgets, it's about making our lives easier, healthier, and more delicious. First off, let's talk about time. We're all busy, and cooking a healthy meal from scratch can feel like a luxury. AI can help us reclaim our precious time by simplifying meal planning, streamlining the cooking process, and even automating tasks like grocery shopping. But it's not just about convenience. AI can also help us eat healthier. By suggesting recipes based on our dietary needs and preferences, AI can nudge us towards more nutritious choices. Plus, with smart appliances taking care of cooking times and temperatures, we're less likely to overcook our food, preserving those vital nutrients. AI in action, from apps to appliances. You might be surprised to learn that AI is already cooking up a storm in kitchens around the world. Don't believe me? Check out these real-world examples. Cook Smarts. This handy app creates personalized meal plans based on your dietary needs and preferences. It even generates a grocery list for you. Tavala. This smart oven takes the guesswork out of cooking. Just scan your food's barcode and the oven will adjust the time and temperature automatically. Samsung Family Hub Refrigerator. This fridge has a touchscreen display that lets you see inside without opening the door. It can also suggest recipes based on what you have on hand and even play music while you cook. These are just a few examples of the many AI-powered tools and appliances already available, and trust me, this is just the tip of the iceberg. A taste of the future AI's culinary potential. Imagine stepping into a kitchen where technology and culinary arts blend seamlessly. This is not just a dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. Now let's get futuristic for a moment. Picture a kitchen that knows your preferences, dietary restrictions, and even your favorite flavors. This is the power of AI in the culinary world. What does the future hold for AI in the kitchen? The possibilities are endless. From meal planning to cooking techniques, AI is set to revolutionize how we approach food. Hold on tight because things are about to get really exciting. Imagine the joy of cooking without the stress of planning or the fear of making mistakes. Imagine a world where your kitchen can predict what you want to eat before you even know it yourself. AI could analyze your eating habits and suggest meals that are not only delicious but also nutritious. Based on your past meals, the weather, and even your mood, AI could suggest recipes that perfectly hit the spot. It could even adjust recipes on the fly to match your current pantry items. How about virtual cooking experiences? With AI, you could have a virtual assistant guiding you through each step of the recipe, ensuring you get it right every time. Picture attending a virtual cooking class led by a renowned chef, all from the comfort of your own kitchen. You could learn new techniques and recipes without ever leaving your home. AI could even provide real-time feedback on your technique, helping you improve your skills. Imagine being corrected on your knife skills or getting tips on how to perfect your sauce. And let's not forget about robotics. The integration of AI and robotics could take over repetitive tasks, giving you more time to enjoy the creative aspects of cooking. We might see robots assisting us with chopping vegetables, stirring sauces, and even plating our masterpieces. These robots could be programmed to handle various tasks with precision and efficiency. While a robot sous chef might seem far-fetched, it's not entirely out of the realm of possibility. With advancements in AI and robotics, the kitchen of the future could be a place where technology and creativity come together to create culinary magic. Embracing the future AI and the joy of cooking. In today's fast-paced world, technology is rapidly transforming every aspect of our lives, including the way we cook and enjoy our meals. The integration of AI into our kitchens is not just a trend, it's a revolution that promises to make our culinary experiences more enjoyable and efficient. Now, some of you might be thinking, will AI take the joy out of cooking? Will it make the process too mechanical or impersonal? These are valid concerns, and it's natural to wonder how technology will impact something as personal and creative as cooking. And that's a valid concern. Cooking has always been a deeply human activity, filled with tradition, emotion, and creativity. The fear that AI might strip away these elements is understandable, but here's the thing. AI isn't here to replace us in the kitchen. Instead, it's here to assist us, to make our cooking experiences richer and more fulfilling. Imagine having a personal assistant who can help you with meal planning, suggest recipes based on the ingredients you have, and even guide you through complex cooking techniques. It's here to enhance our culinary adventures. With AI, we can explore new cuisines, experiment with different flavors, and push the boundaries of our culinary creativity. It can help us discover new ingredients and combinations that we might never have thought of on our own. Think of AI as a helpful sous chef, taking care of the tedious tasks and providing us with the tools and information we need to be more creative and confident in the kitchen. It can handle the mundane aspects of cooking, like chopping vegetables or monitoring cooking times, allowing us to focus on the fun parts. It's about freeing up our time and energy so we can focus on the things we love most about cooking, experimenting with flavors, creating something delicious, and enjoying the process. AI can inspire us to try new recipes and techniques, making cooking an exciting adventure every time we step into the kitchen, and sharing our creations with the people we care about. Cooking has always been a way to bring people together, to share love and joy through food. With AI, we can create more memorable meals and experiences for our loved ones. So as we embrace the future of AI in the kitchen, let's not see it as a threat, but as an opportunity. An opportunity to enhance our skills, to learn and grow as cooks, and to make our culinary journeys even more enjoyable. Let's remember that cooking is more than just following a recipe. It's about connection, creativity, and the joy of discovery. It's about the stories we tell through our food and the memories we create with every meal, and the simple joy of creating something with our own two hands. The tactile experience of kneading dough, the aroma of spices, the satisfaction of a dish well made. These are things that AI can enhance, not replace. And with AI by our side, the possibilities are endless. From smart ovens that ensure perfect cooking temperatures to apps that suggest wine pairings, AI is opening up a world of culinary possibilities. So let's embrace this exciting future and see where it takes us.